Hello, friends! We know everyone loves miniatures, which is why we're excited to show you the super cute Hello Kitty and Friends Real Littles backpack collection, which is available at all major retailers. Not only are these backpacks themed with Hello Kitty and Friends, like Hello Kitty, My Melody, and Keroppi, but there's also an ultra-rare Hello Kitty 50th anniversary backpack. These mini backpacks are filled with super cute mini Sanrio collectibles, including pencil cases, pens, stickers, mini postcards, notebooks, and more. The best part, all the items are real working stationery that you can use. Today, we're going to unbox the special, ultra-rare Hello Kitty 50th Anniversary Real Littles backpack and show you what's inside to inspire our craft. The backpack comes in a beautiful iridescent pearl. There are also these pastel bows in the front pocket to remind you of the bow Hello Kitty always wears. Did you know Hello Kitty got her bow from her mom when she was little? Let's see what ultra-rare items we find inside our Real Littles backpack. Check out this holographic pencil case with a twist top which has Hello Kitty on it. It comes with a pink pen with a Hello Kitty topper. This topper is going to be a great inspiration for our craft today. There's also a mini journal that features Hello Kitty with her 50th bow to celebrate the anniversary. If you want, you can place all these stickers in your journal or share with a friend. What else is inside? Here are some little postcards that show Hello Kitty, her milk bottle, and her little pet fish. There are even 50th anniversary celebration mini stamps. Super cute! You can also use these little post-it notes to add to your journal, a book you're reading, or use in your notebook. The backpack also comes with a carabiner, which you can attach to your own backpack. Inspired by the Hello Kitty 50th anniversary backpack, we're gonna make a Hello Kitty carabiner strap. Here's what you'll need: white and pink oven-baked clay, 2 jump rings, beads, a carabiner from your Real Littles backpack, a paintbrush, pearl paint, pink shimmery paint, pastel string in the colors pink, purple, and teal, and finally some bracelet string. It's time to make Hello Kitty. Roll a piece of clay into an oval like this. Now form 2 small balls and pinch them into triangles. Attach the triangles to the top of her head to form her ears. Now, push a jump ring into the top of the clay like this. Push clay around the jump ring so it's sealed into the top. To create her bow, make 2 larger circles and a smaller circle. Use a pencil or paintbrush to make an indent on the larger circles. Then put them together and add the 3rd circle to the center. Place it on her left ear. Use a little white clay to attach the bow if you need to. Hello Kitty always wears her bow over her left ear. But did you know her twin sister Mimi wears a yellow bow on her right? That's how you can tell them apart. Now, bake the clay according to the instructions on the package. Be sure to ask an adult for help with the oven. Take your Real Littles carabiner and tie a string to it. Then begin wrapping the string around and knotting like this. Once you finish one color, repeat the steps with the other colors. We're using 3 colors inspired by the bows from our Hello Kitty backpack. Make sure you don't cover the clasp so you can still use it. To finish Hello Kitty and match the ultra-rare Hello Kitty 50th Anniversary Real Littles backpack, we're gonna paint her with a pearl sheen to give her that shimmery glow. Now paint her iconic bow with a pink shimmery paint. Cut a piece of bracelet string and tie a jump ring to one end. Make several knots to keep it super secure. Now add the iridescent bubble beads to the string. Once you have as many as you'd like, tie the other side to Hello Kitty's jump ring. Trim the extra. Did you know this year is Hello Kitty's 50th anniversary? Hello Kitty is celebrating this year with all her friends, which also means these fun bubble beads will be a super cute reminder for us to celebrate. The Carabiner strap matches our Real Littles backpack perfectly. Don't forget the Hello Kitty and Friends Real Littles backpack collection is available at all major retailers. And make sure to wish Hello Kitty a happy 50th anniversary in the comments. Thank you so much for watching! We hope you had fun getting creative and showing your love for the new Hello Kitty and Friends Real Littles backpack collection that's available at all major retailers. Hope to see you again soon! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And while you're here, wish Hello Kitty a happy 50th anniversary. We'll be celebrating 5 decades of friendship with super sweet surprises all year long. See you next time!